welcome to Shiva Special in Software Training Institute. Alright, so in this particular video, we'll focus on the difference between cloud servers and on-premise. Okay. See, we understood what is what are servers in one of the previous video. So we understood, okay, it is a platform where we keep the application, the data, and we also call it as data center in the technical terminology, correct? So in this video we'll understand, you'll be hearing what about cloud computing. So we'll understand about what is cloud computing, and we'll get to know these two terminologies. Okay. What is this? We'll see. One is cloud, other one is on-premise. So let's go through this. See, basically what happens is, if a company wants to build their application, the complete application based oriented data, everything should be available, we can only host them on servers, right? So meaning of that is, so to make it simple, we have servers inside which we can host our applications, any of the data we want. So without servers we cannot do anything, okay, in regards with the application, right? So now we have two things. One is cloud computing, meaning is they are called as cloud servers, cloud environment, moreover, okay. Environment is the environment where we host our applications, and other one is on-premise environment. So let's see what these two are. So initially, right, if we have a client C whose project is given to an IT organization O, right? So O used to propose to client C that, okay, we need particular infrastructure for fulfilling your requirement. All right. So that infrastructure is more about servers, networking, every other factors, which includes the servers to perform. So in that context, what used to do is organization O and organization C used to collaborate much, and according to O's proposal, C will buy the servers and host it on their premise. If you see, it is the house symbol within which we have servers. Meaning is, at the client side, organization O used to, with the help of organization O, clients used to host their own servers. Alright, they used to buy and host their own servers on their premise. So this is called as on-premise. One thing. Next, so the maintenance of this, everything should be taken care. Again, as it is in the client premise, so client should be reaching out organization O to take care of maintenance of this on-premise service. We can call on-premise DC. All right, fine. Now, so later on in 2000s, right? So what happens? What happened is I mean, there was an introduction of cloud computing. What is this cloud? If you see, there is a cloud symbol, right, within which servers are there. Meaning of that is, some companies like AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Azure, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Many of these, okay, we have many other like OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So many of this, right? So these companies came into picture. So initially it was purely Amazon, then Azure, Google. You know. So all these companies came. They had built all the server rooms, right, with servers. So what we technically call them as data center, DC. Okay. So all these DCs actually were spreaded across different regions. Maybe in India, if you see, we have servers of Amazon company in Mumbai. Of Azure, we have servers, meaning data centers in Mumbai. So if you see in US, right, we have in California. So many of the places the data centers were hosted. So then what happens is, now you got to know the client C and organization O. Now what happens is, because of this cloud providers, the data centers are already there. So now organization once proposes the configuration to the client. If the client is okay, they can actually rent the servers on the cloud. I mean, on the data centers owned by maybe Amazon or Azure or GCP, many of the providers who data center are already available in different regions across the world, and in whichever region they want to rent the servers, AWS will give service for rent to the client, and organization will work with the cloud infrastructure to maintain client's application. Got it? So that is called as cloud computing. All right, that's it. So that is where, for this, definitely we need an internet connection, because all the services are provided to the client just by opening a browser. He can purchase a server. I mean, he can rent a server. He can rent anything, right? He can, basically have required storage corresponding to his requirement. Everything can be done instantly using an internet connection via browser on the cloud service provider website. What is cloud service provider? Who are providing cloud services like Amazon, AWS, Azure, Microsoft's Azure, Google Cloud Platform from GCP. Okay, fine, guys. So yes, I hope I'm clear. So you can query any questions in the comments, and we'll get back with a new video. Thank you.